Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to week 16 tutorial 4. So our subtopic for the day is module Trust Asas for English language. We are focusing on medial sounds by teacher Anis Azrina. Are you ready, kids? Let's go. So today our main core is English language communication. Our focus topic for the day is medial sound in words. Have you heard about medial sound? So we are going to learn for today. Before we start, I'm sure that everybody have seen the previous video from the link provided in WhatsApp group. Make sure that you understand carefully about the medial sound. Okay kids, do you still remember sound of this vowel? The first one, letter A. What was the sound of this vowel? Do you still remember? Yes, let's recall. The sound is A. Let's repeat A. 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 Say it together. A. Again, A. That was the sound of vowel A. The next letter. Letter U. What was the sound of this vowel? Do you still remember? Yes, it is A. Say it together. A. 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 That was the sound for letter U. So, we are going to proceed for our activity for this morning. Please take out your book. Okay, please take out your book, English language book, and turn to page 39. You are going to find this page. So, let's read the instruction first. The first one, you need to choose and write the missing letter of letter A, sound as A, and letter U, sound as A. Okay, the first picture. What picture is this? It is picture of bag. Bag. So, the sound in the word bag, B, A, G. B, A, G. What was the medial sound for the missing box? It was sound of A. Letter A. A. B. A. K. B. A. K. Bag. Don't forget to write down letter A on the box. Let's proceed to the next picture. Picture second one. The picture of cat. K. T. Cat. Again. K. A. T. What was the medial sound for the medial part? It was the sound of A. Letter A. Again, let's say it together. K. A. T. Cat. Don't forget to write down letter A on the missing box. Can you get it? Okay, very good. Let's proceed. The third picture, it is picture of cup. Let's sound the letter together. K, A, P, K, A, P. What was supposed to be the medial sound of the medial part? It's supposed to be letter U. A. A. So, let's read together again. K, A, P, K. Write down U in the missing box. Proceed to the fourth picture. The picture of fan. F, A, N. Again. F, A, N. Fan. What was supposed to be the second sound? It was the sound of A. F, A, N. Fan. Write down letter A on the medial box. Okay, proceed to the next picture. It is a picture of gun. K, A, N. K, A, N. What was supposed to be the second sound? It's supposed to be sound of U. A. K, An. K, A, N. Gun. Write down U in the missing box. Next one. The picture of mat. A, T. Mat. Again. A, T. What was supposed to be the second sound? It's supposed to be sound of A. Letter A. Write down A on the missing box. Next picture. Picture of mug. A, K. A, K. What was supposed to be the second sound? It's supposed to be sound of A. Letter U. Okay, the last picture for our exercises for today. Picture of rat. Rat. Let's sound out together the letter of rat. A, T. A, T. What was supposed to be the medial sound of rat? A, T. Finish? So, don't forget to write down letter A on missing box. Finish. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to complete your exercises and snap the picture, and then you need to send it to teacher. Bye-bye. See you again.